Installing Minecraft shaders on macOS is actually very simple, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now what we're going to do is we're going to download Java for our macOS. You're going to go to java.com. You're going to click on download Java for desktop, and you're going to ensure that you have Java downloaded for your desktop. Now to confirm if you have Java installed on your desktop, what you can do is you can type Java version in your terminal and check if Java has been installed. Once you have this, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Modrinth. That's modrinth.com/discover/shaders, and you're going to search for the shader that you want to download. Once we find the shader that we want to download, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the shader, and we're going to click on download. Now we want to choose the iris. We want to select the latest version, and we have the latest release, and we're going to click on download. Now once that's downloaded, we're going to leave this as is, and we're going to go to iris shaders. We're going to click on download, and we're going to click on download universal jar, and we have that downloaded. Now the next thing we would like to do is go to the iris downloader. We're going to open that up, and it says Apple could not verify. So this is just a security measure, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on done. We're going to come to the Apple logo. We'll click on system settings, and we're going to go to privacy and security. And once we scroll down, we should be able to see the security updates that the installer was blocked to protect the Mac. That's a security measure, as I mentioned earlier on. Now from here, we're going to click on open anyway, and we're going to click on open anyway. Now it's going to ask for a password or security fingerprint. Now that we have that put in, now we have iris, the installer package, on our computer. And you're going to ensure that you selected the right game version. This is the latest one. What you're going to do is you want to install to Minecraft. That's correct. Now you're going to click on install. Now that we have it installed, we're going to close the iris installer. We're actually going to quit it, and we're going to open up Minecraft. Once Minecraft is launched, what you're going to do is you're going to go to installations, and you're going to find the iris and sodium installation that you just did, and you're going to go to the far right. You're going to see where it says open installations folder, and you're going to click on open installations folder. Now once it's opened, what we want to do is we want to find the folder named shader packs, and we're going to open the shader packs folder. Now that we have the shader pack open, what we want to do is we want to go to the far left, open a new tab with any heading. Once you're there, what you want to do is you want to find the your downloads folder in this new tab. And once you find the downloads folder, you remember the shader that you downloaded, the zip file shader. What you're going to do is you're going to copy that, and you're going to paste that in the shader pack. Once that's copied, what we're going to do is we're going to close this, and we're going to go back to our installations, and then click on play on the iris and sodium installation. Now it's going to give you a warning to say you're about to play a Minecraft Java that has been modified, and it can guarantee game will support the latest player safety features. So you're going to click on I understand the risk and don't warn me again, and you're going to click on play. Once that's done installing, it's going to open up like this, and you're going to go to options. You're going to go to video settings, and on the video settings you're going to see shader packs on the left side, and once you click on it, now you can see your shader in your video settings. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on it, and you're going to ensure that the shaders are enabled, not disabled. They are enabled, and you're going to click on it, and then you click on done. That's how you install Minecraft shaders on macOS. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.